Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Shure Aonic 215 True Wireless Sound Isolating Earphones. Now you can pick these up from Shure.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $280. Now they come in 4 different colors. Alright, so let's go through the features real quick. Aonic 215 True Wireless Sound Isolating Earphones. Now these are Bluetooth version 5.0. Let's see, you got secure over-ear fit. All right, so these will be perfect for the gym. Detachable connections, 8 hours battery life, plus an additional 3 charges with the charging case. So that's a total of 32 hours battery. You got environmental mode, that's your ambient sound mode, push button communications, 2-year limited warranty. Let's see, it comes with a carrying case, and you can download the free Shure Play app to customize your settings, Qualcomm aptX. Now this is AAC and SBC. All right, $280. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes,
my white shoes.
calm down. All right, here we go. Now, I like this presentation. It's pretty unique. Little circular box. Inside, let's see, this is going to be your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Let's see, now this is going to be your charging case. Okay, let's see, how do we get this out of here? Okay, now this is real nice. Now keep in mind, these are $280, so pretty pricey. Real nice presentation on this. Hard shell charging case. Oh, this is kind of sick. Oh, this is kind of sick. All right, Shoes, I need you to relax. All right, let's see, you got a bunch of different size ear tips. All right, I know, Shoes is mad hype. Please be USB Type-C. Here we go. Okay, here it is. USB-A to USB Type-C. All right, Shoes, look. Let's see, what else is in here? Now, these are going to be your earbuds. Very unique. If I can get these out of here. Let's see, let me try not to break this. Okay, let's make sure. Okay, some more of the usual books and shit. Plug those and file them. All right, Shoes. All right. Okay, now, can we get these out of here without breaking them? Easy does it. Okay, look at this. Now I went with the clear color. That's pretty sick. You can actually see the internals. Oh, I like that. Now this is obviously for the right side of your ear. Okay, now let's dig the second one out. Okay. Shoes, what are you doing? All right. Shoes try to snatch the earbuds. Okay. So this is going to be your, okay, left and right. If you notice, you can actually see the internals. This is a unique design. I'm really curious to see how these sound, or actually to hear how they sound. So enough talking, let's put them to the test. Let me grab a phone, we'll pair these up, and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, before we start our usual testing, can we just take a second and appreciate how dope this charging case is? Check this out. It's hard shell. You see you got your LED indicator, let you know it's charging up. And check out the back. Battery level indicator. Now if this was unplugged and you want to check the battery status, bang, one button. Now once you open it up, look how sick these look in the case. I am feeling this look. All right, let me download the app. All right, so now for our usual testing. First, the case. Check this out. Once you put them in, you're going to lock them into place. So now we're going to do our shake test. We're going to start at maximum shakeage. Look at this. Watch this. These are not moving around at all. Next thing you want to do is download the Shure Play app. Let me set this up. All right, real quick. I was about to slap these in my ears, and look what I just noticed. Comply foam tips. Oh, that's a win right there. All right, so the first thing you want to do is download the app. Now, once you pair up your headphones, open up the app. You see your headphones, your battery percentage. You can turn environmental mode on or off. All right, let's turn it on. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, now I can hear my voice crystal clear. Let's turn it down. All right, so now this is basically off. In the middle, sound kind of robotic. This is full ambient sound mode. I can hear my voice perfectly fine. Let's see, you can add music, and you got your settings. So you got different EQ presets. You got these nuts. You got flat, loud, low boost, vocal boost, or you can do custom presets. Add your own one. Pretty simple and straightforward. Next, let's talk about the fit. Now, once you throw these on, you are going to hear that sound isolating technology, especially with these Comply foam tips. Everything gets really quiet. Now, the fit on these is super comfortable. Matter of fact, let me show you how they look. All right, so here's how they're going to look when you're wearing them. Shout out to the Corona Fro, still in full effect. These wrap around your ear. You got your big multifunctional button right here. I'll show you how that looks. Let me do the head shake test on these. Now, I already know these are not moving around, but I'm going to start off at maximum shakage. All right, shoes, don't get scared. Look at shoes' face here. All right, now, these did not move at all. Now let's do a sound test. All right, so I got another classic queued up. We got Foreigner, I Want to Know What Love Is. I got the EQ set to bass boost, since these are advertised for clear sound plus deep bass. And we're going to start off at max volume. One tap for play and pause. I promise y'all I'm not going to sing. All right, White Shoes just dipped. Here we go. Okay. Nice and loud. I love the fit of these. Okay, here we go. Gotta take a little time. A little time to think things over. Gotta read between the lines. In case I need it when I'm older. Let's go, Shoes. Here come that bass drop. Woo, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. This mountain I must climb. Feels like the world upon my shoulders. Until the clouds I see love shine. Keep me warm as life grows colder. My life, woo, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know. All right, hold up. Woo, yo, hold up. Can't stop now. I travel so far to find this lonely life. Where you at, Shoes? I want to know what love is. Woo! All right, hold up. Let me pause it. All right, hold up. Yo, all right, I'm having too much fun. All right, let me keep it real with y'all. I love these. Yo, I love these. I love the fit of these. All right, I love the fit. And these buttons on the back. Now, it feels kind of weird at first when you put them on. Like, why is this big thing right here on the back of your neck? But it's actually a button, and it makes it real easy to press. I love the fit, though, and I love the sound quality. Nice and loud, crystal clear. All right, crystal clear, beautiful vocals, nice, deep, punchy bass. Matter of fact, let me try a few more songs out. All right, so I just did all my testing, and here's my verdict. On a scale of 1 to 10, the Shure Aonic 215s are a major, major, major go. Now we got 3 sets of earbuds for the gym. We got these, the Powerbeats Pro, and the Neuraloops. Those are my only 3 earbuds that you'll ever see me wearing in the gym. Now, as far as these, number 1, the look. I love how these look. That clear design where you can actually see the internals. That's so sick. Next, the fit. Now, this is one of the best things about these earbuds, the fit. All right, now, if you're into that active lifestyle and you put these on, you could do 101 backflips. These will not move. I tried to get them to move. They will not budge. All right, so you can put these on and do some karate, do your thing. Next, the touch controls. Now, this is another thing that I love. This big thing that goes behind your ear, on your neck, that's actually a button. Yeah, I just play and pause the music. If you ever notice, sometimes you're wearing earbuds when you have touch controls on the side. When you play and pause, you push them more on your ears. Or if your hands are sweaty, they move around. You got a perfect fit and you got to touch them. I don't like that. with these right here, once you get the fit in your ear with these comply tips, they're not moving around. Now you can hit play and pause, activate your environmental mode without moving the earbuds. So the fit on these is out of this world. Next, no lag when you're watching your videos. All right. The call quality was pretty good, but there's one downside. You only hear the person out of the right ear. All right, so if you're wearing both of these and you make a phone call, you're only going to hear the person out of one ear. And speaking of one ear, you can only play music from the right side if the left one is charging up. You can't play the left while the right is charging up. The app is pretty simple and straightforward. I like the different EQ settings. The ambient sound mode works perfectly. And the sound quality on these, all right? This is that real sound. All y'all audiophiles out there, you're going to love these, all right? This is quality sound. Now, if you're into that hardcore, thunderous, extra bass rap music, you might not want these, all right? It's not the most bass in the world, but the balance of the sound and the way the bass hits is clean, all right? If you know the definition of clean music, this is clean music right here. For Foreigner, all right? I want to know what love is, songs like that. You're going to hear the vocals. If you go to the app, put it on vocal mode. Bro, I'm feeling these. I am totally feeling these. I'm stamping these down with the seal of approval. These are my third earbuds for the gym. Now, once I got two more that I want to try out, and then I'll do my top 5 gym earbuds. I don't even rock the power, the Beats, not the Beats, the Project Rocks. I don't even rock those in the gym anymore because now all of my workout headphones, I can't even say the gym. Actually, I'm working out outside now. All of my workout headphones gotta have this wrap around the ear. They have to. I hate when I get on that decline bench and my earbuds move around. I don't like that. So earbuds like these are perfect for your active lifestyle. Anyway, Shure Aonic 215s. These are triple major go, 100% white shoes approved. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the TicPods ANC.